Google just supercharged its Gemini app for Android by rolling out a slick redesign that puts your AI creations front and center. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The update was spotted on version 16.45 and it introduced a bold new homepage, a My Stuff hub for all your generated content, and subtle interface changes that make the app feel smarter and faster. The homepage now has a bluish-gray background in light mode and full black in dark mode, with a casual hi greeting asking, "Where should we start?" Suggestions are neatly lined up on the left, making it easier than ever to dive into AI-generated fun. Even the chat interface got a facelift, as the old Google account switcher has been replaced with a prominent new conversation button, while pin, rename, and delete options are now just a tap away from the chat name. That means no more digging through menus. And the star of the update is the new My Stuff section. This hub keeps all your AI creations, be it photos, videos, and canvas designs, organized in one place, separate from your chats. Tap any piece of content and Gemini takes you right back to the conversation that generated it, making it easy to edit or expand your projects. Google is clearly doubling down on AI content creation. The app now flaunts the ability to generate images and videos using the Imagen and Veo models, while the homepage actively promotes these creative tools. And with the new Ingredients to Video feature, you can turn reference images into full videos in seconds, giving users next-level control over their digital creations. While iOS and web users will have to wait, Android fans can jump in right now to explore Gemini's new look and content hub. With these updates, Google isn't just changing an app, it's reshaping how we create, organize, and interact with AI media. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.